Hello. The executives and managers I am working with are aiming at ambitious targets, short-term, both financial and operational, and at the same time are facing difficult situations, sometimes even blocked. However, it is rarely possible in a few months to achieve spectacular results. As for Maghreb Steel, where everybody was telling them it was impossible, and they did it.
La situation financière s'est vite dégradée, donc c'était une entreprise qui était à l'arrêt. Si Maghreb Steel était défaillante, c'était une crise financière majeure pour le pays. On a eu une augmentation des volumes de vente entre 2015 et 2016 de 37%, de l'amélioration des coûts de transformation jusqu'à moins 40%, augmentation des capacités de production. On est passé d'un EBITDA sur 2014 de moins 156 millions de dirhams. Le premier semestre 2016, on est à plus 113. Donc il y a eu vraiment un changement spectaculaire.
This type of transformation arises from the uniqueness of each team, organization, company. This is why it develops in any culture, sector, country. The mission I led for Alstom had thus a recommendation level assessment of 3.9 out of 4.
We had typed on the computer on Google Lean. François came on top of the list, lecturer at Central Paris. And so François helped me a lot, transforming the industrial model of Alstom thermal power. France, Switzerland, Germany, Poland, Portugal, UK, US, Mexico. We really transformed what was like a garage in a modern factory.
My customers are particularly sharing with me concerning this energy blocked within their teams, about apprehensions, resistances and sometimes conflicts. And I find this exceptional, that some companies like SNCF can evolve towards this dynamism of confidence and engagement.
Au moment où nous avons décidé de fusionner l'entité RFF et l'entité SNCF Infra, j'ai dû finalement marier des équipes dont la première histoire avait été le divorce. Les risques psychosociaux, c'est quoi? C'est des gens qui n'arrivent plus à se projeter, qui n'arrivent plus à avoir le sens de ce qu'ils font. On a créé la confiance entre nous. On n'aurait jamais pu faire ça l'année dernière. Et du coup, on progresse beaucoup plus vite maintenant.
This example is a true source of inspiration. Achieving it is daily finding the resources and the means to collectively overcome the difficulties.
Comment se transcender à travers une mission qui nous dépassait tous et pour donner encore le maximum de soi. Et l'ambiance aujourd'hui est festive et je pèse mes mots.
Whatever may be your challenges of reorganization, productivity, digital, the most important is to operationally combine the two dimensions of performance, organization efficiency, and the evolution of human capital. This is what triggers a viral transformation.
I asked François to help me in the cultural transformation, since Lean is both an industrial and cultural transformation, starting by the people themselves and also a collective adventure.
On a travaillé sur la culture d'entreprise, mais aussi nos cultures, nos systèmes de valeurs personnels. Quel sens ont trouvé à notre action? Ce qui est intéressant, c'est que cette méthode, elle s'est diffusée de façon virale, c'est-à-dire chaque membre du comité de direction a fait la même chose avec sa propre équipe.
These results have been made possible thanks to an approach that I developed on 3 axes: pragmatic results, team engagement, and viral transformation. If you want to progress on one or several of these axes, let's meet together to assess your degree of appropriation of this approach. And if you wish, deploy it with your teams towards your achievement. Thank you and see you soon.
Was this below average or average? Was this good or was this great? Thank you.
This makes me confident that we will succeed together.